The ECT2000 is a two-piece unit designed to follow and locate short and open circuits without having to remove panels, molding, or carpet to expose wires. The transmitter injects a signal into your problem circuit, and the receiver indicates the direction to follow. This kit includes a transmitter and receiver, blade probe, back probe, piercing probe, universal adapters, and 3 bulb socket adapters. The transmitter has a 20-foot lead with 2 battery clamps which reach from bumper to bumper, allowing you to inject a signal into any circuit on the vehicle. The transmitter's toggle tone and indicator lights will instantly alert you if the circuit is open or grounded. The wireless receiver LED indicators will guide you to the direction of the short circuit. The area which you lose the signal is the area of the short or open. If this is an intermittent problem, the transmitter's toggle tone will alert you when there's a change of state. Open circuit signals are easily shielded and could be buried inside the wire harness. This is where the receiver's integrated wire harness probe should be used. With the ECT2000 short and open circuit tracer, now you can find a short or open circuit like a pro.